Hello, crypto enthusiast. Welcome to my channel, Crypto Combat. Today, I'll be talking about this platform called. Alright, guys, this is BCH Miner, as you can see on the platform right here, and I'm gonna be walking you guys through on how to sign up and start earning money. Okay, as you can see right here, you'll be earning free $10 instantly, and with that $10, you can use that $10 to generate income daily, which is 0.50 or so. Okay, so with that being said, let's hop in. I'm new to this platform too, so I'll be going through the sign up process with you guys, and I hope you all catch fun, okay, on this. So first, what I'm gonna do is to put in my username right here. I'm gonna put my username right here, okay, and I'm gonna put in my I'm gonna put in my email. I'm gonna put in my username. I'm gonna put in my password. Confirm the password. Okay, I'm gonna put the payment password and confirm the payment password. Okay, that's all what we're gonna be doing right here. So let's start. So as you can see here, I'm done filling up everything. It's only left with the referral code, which is optional, and also the captcha. Okay, so I'm just gonna like go for the captcha because I don't have any referral code and I don't want to go and find anyone either. So I'll be putting it here. Okay, let me show you guys like this. Like there's some people that will not understand what I'm doing here. Like you see this stuff here, you have to put it here. Okay, so I'm going to click sign up. Okay, so as you can see right here, I've been signed into the platform. As you can see, this is the $10 instant $10 which is being given to us, and you can see my total profit is 0. Okay, my total income here is 0, and so on. Okay, so this is the process here. Okay, now that we are in, how can we get money? Okay, now this is my referral code. You guys can use it. If you are watching this video, you can write it down or so, but it's going to be in the comment section below and the referral link. Okay, so and also what am I going to do next? Okay, let's go to the menu section, which is at the top right corner. Okay, you're going to see your dashboard, deposit, withdraw, packages, transactions, affiliate, which is like your referral link, message, settings, and so on and so forth. Okay, in that settings, you're going to see your wallet. Okay, login, password, payment password. Okay, now you're just going to like tap on wallet, and now you're going to see your BCH. Okay, which is it's a BCH, it's just like a cryptocurrency. Okay, so your wallet, your BCH wallet address, and submit it. There they can pay you directly. Okay, then this is your payment password you're gonna put in. I've already done mine. You're gonna put it, then new password if you want to, like, change your password though, but that is not necessary right now. So now we're gonna go back. Let's check the affiliate program, BCH Miner Alliance Partner Program. Okay, this is all you have to do. Say invite 10 new users to register and invest to upgrade to VIP 1 and above, and you can get a monthly salary of $300 straight up. Wow. So if you have a platform, okay, a platform that you can actually refer someone, you can do this. As you can see right here, you see that, just to invite 10 new users to register and invest to upgrade to VIP 1 and above, and you can get a monthly salary of $300 or so. Okay, as you can see, this one $1,000 and so on and so forth. Okay, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just gonna end here. So now let's go see how we can make that happen. Okay, so as you can see right here, these are the plans. Okay, you can earn money with contract rewards. Okay, 2025 first batch large computing power contract, blah blah stuff like that. So this is it. So right here, let's go to home dashboard. So as you can see right here, every day you'll be earning small amount of money. which is 0.50 cents, okay, every single day. 0.50 cents, so on and so forth. So register and get that $10 and start making cash today. Alright, but before we go, let me show you guys the $10, how you're gonna be earning it. See, level 1, level 2, level 3. So this is the $10 profit. Okay, now we just for us to start by tapping on this start now. Okay, it's a brand new $10 user experience mining machine. Check in once daily. So you're gonna be checking in daily with this $10, okay, daily, and every 24 hours you earn this 0.5. Alright guys, so I want you guys to go in there and do it. Each account is limited to 1 purchase per day. You see that? Each account is limited to 1 purchase per day. So thank you and stay blessed. I'm gonna click on buy now, password. Okay, payment password. Sorry. So as you can see here, the payment is successful. So I want you guys to go in there and do what you have to do to make sure you start earning. So you're gonna be using that $10 to earn that amount of money every single day. Okay, so as you can see right here, if you're in Nigeria, you'll be earning 1,558.13 naira by doing this tax every day. Okay, every day you'll be earning 700 and something naira for 0.5 cents. Then 0.5 cent plus 0.5 cent, that is 10, that is $1. Okay, so this is how much you're gonna be earning, okay, in 2 days. So just keep on doing that. In 7 days you'll be earning more of this. Okay, so let's go on and do that and make sure you grab this opportunity when as it's hot. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless.